Let me tell you this, bro. And I know a long life, I swear in life, but me tell you this, bro. Gaza people, on the time up, dancehall gone left for no. Masicka run dancehall. Bro, you can't dream forget back dancehall. You see what I
No
say?
time.
And me can guarantee you that. It no matter what you could do, you can't get back dancehall. So you can't continue eat per massacre, you can't continue bad mind, you can't continue drop out, you can't do anything you want to do. You can't get back dancehall. Dancehall in a safe hands. Dancehall is with Masicka. Masicka baddest artist. Masicka better than Funo artist. You hear that? Yes, I
Them
said it.
done ball yet.
Masicka better than Cartel. I'm gonna mince my words. Masicka the baddest thing ever in a dance.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Two man pam blood clot phone and the man record you. You not even a voice note, is a record the man record, you can hear the man voice. Yes, when I say so, and a voice note, people say voice note is a record. The man
Oh, God.
record the conversation and the man put it out. Bro, time the man them keep on a show us them rate on the bro. Same thing with Bumbleclad, Cartel son them do it with popcorn. The little boy I talk about even rate popcorn, bro. The man them time and time again, them show us them rate them, bro. And yet the man still a run back at the man them.
Them are some hypocrite. All them easy for kill, because watch ya. You see the same way them behave with the man them. And then go look back friend with the man them. The man can just take with them 3 points quick and fast.
Exactly. So about Gaza people and they can't do they could them do them artists, them can't do Masicka that. Masicka no run back a boy. You will never see ever see Masicka run back a Cartel, no time at all. Never. Remember say Cartel come out, Cartel no big up family once, Every interview you up on a Masicka ma big up, Him up big foreign interview, a Masicka ma big up. Yes what me I say? A Masicka ma follow, a Masicka ma say a Masicka dey on him show. When Masicka na confirm people dey on him show. Yes what me I say? A them boy they look friend from Masicka. Masicka na walk a look friend from them. So because them could control
And
Masicka.
that even friend to energy. Me I tell
You
you
get
true,
me?
see them and they are dinosaur in our business. I true say in forward out and say youth are running place. So them want piece of youth energy. But when you say youth, now the point where they pan, everything goes south. You see?
Fuck.
Cause them can't generate energy. Yes what me I say? Yeah
Just
man,
cause
they
it
can't
just cause the dog no father them show. Be a pre-mens are going on Sunday. Like your dog, it's like your dog no fear have him own life. Like
And about after that, them bust him on the responsive and career. I want to push
well,
it.
So I'll never
well,
hear when I no fair come out and I say, oh, you think of me a pre? I done a pre.
I done a pre.
Yeah,
I
and I
done that
talk about
too.
they invite them invite him a party and him not forward
I'm
and
not
all
go.
them things.
I your mother, man.
Yeah.
Like say a program thing. I'd say I take no program, but we'll go one for go. This all
sure.
go. You can't call me and say, oh come here, sir. Mad. I go more, I go, I feel like to go.
That is it. So the song, what I want to know? Come on know if it's serious, And this is the song that people are anticipate for so much days. This are the song where them preview. This are the song where them are hype over. And this are the song where them expect in a real life. Like seriously, my side. This are the song where them expect to clash with Masicka. The Masicka. Me just want to know, You get what me I say? Me just want to know if this are the song where Gaza people expect to do damage to Masicka career right now as we speak. You get me? Come on, know if it's a prank. You get me? Big woman thing. Me really want to know if it's a prank, my side. Because this could be real. You get me? Bro, me hear countless of this song and this probably one of the worst. This are probably one of the worst this song them me ever hear. Firstly, people, the only thing make people busy about the song are because him call Masicka name in night. And you have to wait at least 2 minutes before you hear what him say about Masicka. You get me? You have to wait about 2 minutes. So some people supposed to in a dance. I wait 2 minutes with a song. You see what I say? Before them hear one line where them go for hear. Where them want hear. Bro, I've never seen something like this, bro. And that's brother, remember me tell you, brother. It just show you say, in a real life, this is never something we want to do. You see what I say? This no seems like something we they really want to do. This seems like something we force to do, bro. Big woman, because I don't think in my right mind. Nyamili really that plan to do the song, bro. Really want to clash against Masicka and drop this a big garbage, bro. Where 3/4 of the song, you don't understand one thing what the dog say. You see what I say? 3/4 of the song, you can't understand one thing what the dog say, bro. This can't serious. Big woman thing. People, this can't serious. But we are going to America with, you see what I say? Himself, man thing, dog. And yo, me even mad for myself, bro. Can't me expect something better. Brother,
No, man, tell you, dog, it's disappointing, bro. I can't, them I think I want to forward country classical,
Yeah, you
brother.
know what the worst thing is? Me see, cause me a realist you would say it, say the sun must comment over Emily paid. So more Masicka this up everybody over that side,
Yeah,
man.
man, all of
Everybody.
them forget it, man. No spare none,
Not
man.
spare nobody.
Nah, like, but I want to think so this is the last straw, but last straw this is a pussy cleat. I want strand. This. I swear. Alright. When name? Spaniard.
Yo.
Put yourself in a artist shoes. Right? You depend top of the convo. And a dog go sing a song here. So try this out. You reply.
Yeah, I do like this,
Yo,
brother.
the only reason Masicka for brush them are because it's a big group and it's everybody against the dogs. Everybody just get it. When I reply for your sake I sang, my reply just for your sake I say, yeah man. The whole of the group right now, so just go suck at the whole of the mother. Yeah man,
Brother,
just fuck up
when the
everything.
man done sing his song and everything, hear the man, yo, start it. Then you start
Man,
it, brother.
cool.
You see how
Yo,
biggie
Mr. With
I
that.
beer
was the
that
whole care,
laugh.
every other attack. I
Yeah,
whole
I
care them
drew
yeah.
this. I
Jaja.
drew this the pussy
Oh
class.
great.
But I rock and roll gangster, dog.
The
I
world
joke
I
this
will wait and I'm ready.
joke thing, but a quick kill, dog.
Yeah,
Eat
yeah.
it up into pussy
Easy,
class.
easy, Duffy, man.
The only thing the man saying at the song, a Masicka, a Masicka. That's the only thing the man saying at the song, bro. The rest of it is dumbo, 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 dumbo,
Don't go. And the bumper class.
I
And the
really
bumper
bro, this is
can't
the
stand
class.
the
nicest
pussy
song I
cleats.
ever heard in my life.
Bro, a Cookie Monster alone me when one hear
Yeah.
sounds.
word, bro. The man is a modern day Cookie Monster, bro. You don't know Cookie Monster, bro. The man at
If can go read the Sesame Street.
Jamaican, bro. Man, cartoon, brother.
I really can't do, bro. This
But yo,
crazy.
But remember, they sing a cartoon song already, you know.
oh yeah, I guess
Remember, man
And
sing a
that
cartoon song and
at
say,
that
man,
time
the whole like
probably
cartoon them, you know. I couldn't remember who is
No,
a
every
little
day they
fool.
have plan I watch cartoon.
bro. So that me I say that's a more know when him bad and when him get bad in
Remember,
a
I tell
real
them,
life
man.
because this our youth him get little pressure. Him start him turn himself in a him on a demon and him say a Spartan angel, right?
Mm,
The man start
mm,
sing song about children.
Yeah,
Big
mm.
listen
guns
to me.
Bob and them. Remember that, bro? So me I say, which better is a bad? I wouldn't bad. I wouldn't get out of
Sick,
control.
man.
Bro,
Eh?
it's crazy.
Brother Bounty Killer bad up the man there off a stage, bro. Bad him up.
a ninja man.
You see me? Bad him up.
John was
That
that.
guy.
when he
Love
go
take program.
Riverton. Yes, what me I say? When him go Riverton, bad him up. The man I worrying about street cred, brother. With the Bumbleclaw Masicka Walker look street cred from. Masicka Bumbleclaw rich. I wonder if them could
Street cred.
understand, bro.
All that comment
Masicka
didn't even make a
rich.
sense.
You see me? What about street creds and what about prison and them something they did for run down
You
in
see,
a real life?
him get beat up, them beat him up wicked in a prison. I might say my bad man. I
You
think
say all of them click out his sense him out the head,
Yo,
brother.
me say them beat up him man till a stretcher them have to put him on pan cam go
Click out
hospital,
his say,
bro.
me when the dog
Stretcher.
just come out, the dog say, man, I'm bad man, you know. You only can't say that, no, man, side. I can't even
You see
hear.
man go on some fest go ball yeah water.
Yeah.
Come
Remember when
punk
that
your
come
man.
from jail, man, say, yeah, man, a Christian, way man go now, man, this and that and say, be fuckery.
I
Be
program
fuckery.
program man. You see how long him take to drop song. A programming get program man.
You
Brother,
can't take up badness part time. If you're
brother,
bad, just
first
bad
thing,
full time, man.
brother, why him bother even preview it? Him should just drop.
Fox.
Yes, what me I say? Him should just drop.
Now you know understand him preview his song for he get gas up. You see me? And that go on, you know. Because remember say nobody now talk about Tamil, you know. So him do that forget
Hold on, them
everybody
dog.
talk.
Hold on. Somebody talk. I'm not hear them. A Black Star boy talk?
You can't hear
Realist,
that dog say.
realist Gaza crash out over one part already. Jaja. Them have to crash out, bro. Because
Different evening, man.
dog, and this I represent them, you know. And this I represent them, you know, dog. This year, you know. This I represent them, dog. They must put all them hopes and dreams that this a garbage, dog. You get me, I say? So them must a crash out, dog. Them must a crash out. Because
You
them
know
don't got me,
how
no, bro. Them still got me, no, bro. If DJ decide for murder this song, you know, then all conversation end. You see me? Somebody for a breakup.
Yes, nobody phone static.
What's that man have album? So,
Which album?
I never have a clue.
Yeah, which universe?
alright.
not even
So
know
that
when name of that album
Which
them up.
universe you talk about?
alright, that's what I talk about. It's irrelevant, dog. You're not even worthy to even talk about.
I never have a clue,
There-
bro.
There is no way you can make a statement if you come out your mouth say a man bigger than a man, have such influence, have this greatness, and them simple something you can't have to your name. Eh?
Pussy then achieve
Because
nothing out of music.
you boss 1 and
Yeah,
2
the
man
same man they walk
and
it,
set on 1
bro.
and 2 trend. Yeah,
Pussy
king,
then
yeah,
achieve
goat,
nothing
yeah,
out
this,
of
yeah, that.
music. Only thing they good for follow come on.
Crazy.
Remember I see him elder them a hype over. Remember say him do. Remember say 450 sell more than him, you know. Bro, remember say a 450 outsell him, bro. While we there set records with album of 450, I give them problem. You get what me I say? 450, I give them problem. But we if you fight for them. Come on, man.
Embarrassing, dog. I know I'm still why you never want to drop his song.
No,
From
not
there
behave
you talk
themselves.
about today, dog. Yeah, bleach for the song, brother. And
Garbage,
that fuck cray I can't drop.
garbage.
Pussy clown.
Garbage. Let me tell you this, bro. Let me tell you this.
Running, man, my
Hold on.
dog.
Gaza. Let me tell you this, Gaza. On time up. Yo, bravo.
Static.
Bravo.
No, bravo until you're ready for talk.
Hold on there.
Let me tell you this, bro. And I know a long life, I swear in life, but let me tell you this, bro. Gaza people. On time up. Dancehall gone left for no. Masicka run dancehall. Bro, you can't dream forget back dancehall. You see what I
No
say?
time.
And I can guarantee you that. In no matter what tactic you do, you can't get back dancehall. So you can continue eat per Masicka, you can continue bad mind, you can continue drop out, you can do anything you want to do. on can't get back dancehall. Dancehall in a safe hands. Dancehall is with Masicka. Masicka baddest artist. Masicka better than Funo artist. You hear that? Yes, I
Them
said it.
done ball yet.
Masicka better than Cartel. I'm gonna mince my words. Masicka the baddest thing ever in a dancehall.
Right, that's
You
up.
see what I
Right,
say?
that's up.
And if you know what
Right, that's up.
if you don't want to make an example out of Tamili, we don't have Nyamili, we don't have no problem doing that. You see what I say? But that's why I know say when we murder him, we don't not disown him like we normally do. You get what I say after the artist them get embarrassed. But that's why I know say uno disown him. You get me? I understand that it. I only can admit say yeah, Gaza get defeated. When we got if we murder family, we have to accept the Gaza get defeated because I say all I know put on hope and faith in him. You get what I say? So we don't want no excuse. You see me? Yeah. And if the father feel brave enough, you see what I say? And step forward, we murder him too. When you see some
Yeah, man.
massacre, use what they upon him IG, we are step on them. Remember that. I was born brave, but I'm bolder now. Be cold from birth, but I'm colder now. Remember, they put us a man a born soldier over the years and still a soldier now. We are step on them. You hear that? Yeah, the song they done by Assassin. I remember the song they use against Funo. Boss.
Mhm.
You hear that? So I'm hoping to get that the message there. I don't feel like say a joke thing I go on there. So
And
Yeah,
you
man.
see
Now
dog
make it
put up
fly up
that
on the head, man.
and you see dog put up that funny story.